Everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday. What's the date? July 10th. I've actually been off work for like the past week, so I've been off since the 4th. So I just had like a staycation. Originally I was planning a trip with my cousin, but it ended up falling through. But even though we didn't take the trip, I still just kept the days off at work because I just needed some time off anyways. So yeah, today, like I said, is Tuesday. There's a carnival in my neighborhood. So basically a local football player, well, he's from my city, and he's throwing like every summer, like in between spring and summer, he always throws these little carnivals for the community, and it's like free food, everything's free entry, free to ride the game, free to ride the rides, free games, like everything is just free. So my nieces and nephews are already there with their little summer camp. So I think Janae's gonna come with me. She's gonna bring her sons. Starts at 2, which is like exactly 2 now, and then it's over at 8, so it lasts a while, so we don't have to get there right away. But yeah, probably gonna do that, and I think that's about it. Janae was saying, I guess she passed her little final exam thing for her new job, so she's like, we should go celebrate. So I think we may go have a drink or something later. But other than that, that's really all I have planned. Right now I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store because I just need to pick up a few things before I head back to work tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then catch up with Janae, and I'll check back in with you guys. Oh, so I'm in my car and it is hot AF. All black interior, so it just like attracts like all the heat possible. I just swept all my baby hairs out, but I just left a bunch of guys to be glue on. Oh, even my rear view mirror is hot. Alright guys, so it is now 6:13. I have not left the house since I came back from the grocery store today. This is one of the reasons I kind of chilled out on vlogging, because this is how my plans have been going a lot lately. Like, I'll have something planned, and then when it comes down to do it, like, for like everything that could possibly go wrong, well, nothing really went wrong, but like it just doesn't happen, or like something comes up. And yeah, so basically I didn't make it to the carnival. The carnival, like I said, doesn't end until 8, so technically I could have still went. Janae wasn't gonna make it in time, or after, yeah, Janae had other issues going on, so she wasn't gonna make it to the carnival in time. My dad actually went up there just not too long ago, but I just felt like it was so late and I didn't want to go late in the day. Like, all the food was gonna be picked over and all that kind of stuff, so I was just kind of like, oh, whatever. But now Janae and I were gonna go to Taco Tuesday. We were actually supposed to go to Taco Tuesday last Tuesday, and I planned on vlogging it and all that other good stuff. But last Tuesday ended up being a hot mess too. I can hear Janae now. You so loud and ratchet. I can hear you. My glasses here? Yes, you did. I can hear you laughing up the stairs. Like, get in. Is it still warm out here?
It's still warm.
Do I need a jacket? Do I need a jacket?
I mean, I can drop one.
That's how I feel too, but I don't feel like carrying it. Filmed actually in a minute because my dad's been driving my car and my things are all off. I just hold on. Don't y'all hate when somebody else drives your car and then you have to like reset all of your stuff and it's like okay. But yeah, I have not filmed or anything in a while. I was on vacation for like, it's hot in this car, Jesus Christ. Okay, I was on vacation off work for like a week, and during that week I cannot get my stuff right and I'm in a hurry. So during that week I filmed like almost every day, and then when I went back to work, which was like 2 weeks ago, I just have not been filming. So like everything, all the things that I filmed during that week kind of sustained me for a minute, but now I just don't like have anything. I had a vlog that I was supposed to put up, but I don't know, the day I was supposed to upload it, I was in a funk and I didn't upload it. And then last weekend I was supposed to film. I woke up with terrible cramps the day I planned on filming, and that just didn't happen. So this weekend I'm gonna try to sit down and film something. It is Saturday right now and I'm on my way to the nail shop. Also have a hair appointment at 12 o'clock. It is a little after 10, and so I'm hoping I can get in and out of the nail shop today. I'm just getting a gel manicure. I really just only wear gel manicures. I haven't had acrylic probably in like a year. Oh, why am I so hot? So yeah, I usually get my nails and my feet done, but my nails don't, I mean my feet don't look too bad. I know I can get like another week or so with my toes, so I'm just gonna get my nails done, especially because I'm crunched for time anyways, and I need to go to the beauty supply to pick up my hair to get my braiding hair. So yeah, you guys see me right now in all of my glory with my natural hair. I don't wear my natural hair out as much, but it is getting longer, so I do feel like I'll start wearing it out more. But yeah, I just washed and blow dried it, and I just kind of put it up in this puff because I don't want to put products in my hair if I'm going to get it done. But yeah, I'm going first. So yeah, I'm hoping I can just get in and out of this nail shop. I usually like to be there when they first open so that I can be one of the first people in the chair, because they do fill up pretty fast. But yeah, they're already opened and I'm not there. But hopefully it shouldn't be too long. I'm so hot this morning. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, I don't have much planned this weekend. Janae, she was trying to get me to go see, well, she's going to go see Michael Blackson. And originally she did invite me, but I had a hair appointment today, and originally my hair appointment was later in the day. Ooh, excuse me. But my stylist texted me the other day and was saying she could move it up. So it was originally at 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm getting it braided, and I just didn't want to be pressed for time trying to get to the hair shop and then get to the show later. But she moved it up to 12. So I went to get tickets, but I couldn't find any seats like where she was sitting. So I was just like, I'm gonna just have to sit this one out. So I really don't have anything planned today. That's another reason why I haven't been vlogging either, guys. Like, I haven't, my weeks and weekends have been really chill for the past couple of weeks. Like, just real chill and low key. I haven't been doing anything. Oh my gosh, come on guys. I haven't been doing anything. I'm either in the house or doing hair or at work. So that's why I haven't really been vlogging much either. I do have some vlog footage from when I was on vacation. So I don't know if I'm gonna piece it together with this vlog or how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, we'll see. Almost to the nail shop, but it's Saturday and people want to be out today. I don't know why, but yeah, I'll probably check back in with you guys after I get my hair done, because I probably won't. Dang, this fool. And I'm driving just as crazy. But yeah. Why is all these people out? Bye, y'all. Alright guys, I just wanted to hop back on camera real quick. It's Sunday. After I got my hair braided yesterday, I did not film anymore. After that, my appointment lasted, it took her about 3 hours to finish. I went to my regular braider who does my feed-in braids. If you're in the Bay Area and you follow me on my beauty page, like all my feed-in styles, she's always tagged in those photos if you guys are in the Bay Area and looking for a braider. But yeah, like I said, I did not get back on camera yesterday. Me and Misha ended up just going to dinner and having drinks, and that was pretty much it. I'm really trying to get back into the groove of filming. I've just been lazy lately and I've been slacking off, so I'm trying to get back on track. So I'm sitting here now importing some files and stuff into my computer. I'm going to try to edit this vlog, watching Power. I filmed this makeup look this morning, so I have that to go up tomorrow for Makeup Mondays. I need to take some pictures for my thumbnail too, now that I'm thinking about it. So to do that, I'm gonna try to film a tea talk video tonight, hopefully, if I get around to doing it. So yeah, I'm trying to get back into routine. If you guys have any requests, definitely leave them down below. I'm always open to requests, and you know, I don't mind filming things that you guys want to see. So yeah, that's that, and I think that's it. I just needed to close out this vlog because it kind of just ended abruptly. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.